Come test drive the 2019 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, panoramic moonroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.